Welcome to the best picks. The best teen moisturizer is probably one of the most important skincare decisions you'll make as a teen, because during this transformative period, your skin goes through numerous changes due to hormonal fluctuations, environmental factors, and lifestyle choices, and finding the right moisturizer can be the key to maintaining a clear, healthy complexion and preventing acne breakouts, dryness, and other common teen skin issues. Number 5. Verse Dew Point Gel Moisturizer. This lightweight gel cream moisturizer is perfect for daily use. Its cooling texture instantly hydrates without leaving any greasy residue. It contains sodium hyaluronate, which draws in moisture, and aloe leaf juice to hydrate. Green tea extract fights free radicals and reduces inflammation. This bouncy gel cream is fast absorbing and non-greasy, making it ideal for all skin types, even oily or acne-prone skin. It's a non-comedogenic moisturizer, meaning it won't clog pores. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Simply smooth a small amount onto your clean face and neck, morning and or night, after cleansing and serums. This moisturizer delivers real results with clean, effective ingredients. You'll see and feel the difference. What we like? It's a lightweight gel cream that absorbs quickly without leaving any shine. If you have oily or acne-prone skin and want a non-comedogenic moisturizer, this is a great option. It's perfect for daily use and won't clog your pores, keeping your skin clear and healthy. What people say? A little goes a long way, and it absorbs very quickly into my skin and almost immediately makes my face feel very bouncy and hydrated. Even better, I don't feel like it makes my skin feel clammy like a thicker moisturizer does. It's not heavy at all like most moisturizers, and I can guarantee it does not cause acne. Super hydrating yet not greasy or sticky. Number 4. Glow Recipe Pink Juice Moisturizer. It's a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer perfect for oily or combination skin. It hydrates, plumps, and soothes, leaving your skin with a fresh, juicy finish thanks to watermelon extract. This hydrating moisturizer features hyaluronic acid, bringing life back to thirsty skin. Its bouncy gel texture feels cool and absorbs quickly. It's enriched with antioxidants from jasmine and peony to protect against environmental stressors. This daily moisturizer helps rid your skin of dryness. Apply it after your serum, morning or night. Gently pat until absorbed. For extra radiance, mix it with your foundation. It's made without parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, phthalates, or synthetic dyes. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, for a truly enjoyable self-care experience. What we like? This daily moisturizer gives you a glassy, glowing complexion. If you're looking for a lightweight, oil-free formula to plump and soothe your skin, this is it. Its unique texture and hydrating properties will leave your skin looking radiant and healthy. What people say? My skin looks refreshed with a slight glow. My foundation blends well with it. My favorite moisturizer. Works great, smells great, and makes your skin look amazing. This works perfect, doesn't break me out, instant hydration, my skin has a lifted and blurred effect, and it shines too. This will hydrate well and soften lines. Number 3. Kids Face Cream. It's an award-winning face cream, specially designed for kids' delicate skin. It's gentle, calming, and perfect for sensitive skin. This moisturizer is formulated with natural ingredients to soothe and nourish. It helps balance oily, dry, or combination skin. Infused with strawberry and cranberry extracts, it calms and soothes skin, revealing a radiant complexion. It's a treat for your child's skin. Sea buckthorn oil minimizes redness and nourishes the skin. It's packed with vitamins for an antioxidant boost and youthful glow. It's free of harsh ingredients, making it gentle enough for all skin types. It's the perfect everyday moisturizer for your child. With added tea tree leaf oil, it helps fight blemishes and keep skin healthy. It's a gentle way to help clear up breakouts. What we like? This face cream is perfect for sensitive skin. If you have irritated or dry skin, this gentle formula will soothe and calm it. It's made with natural ingredients and is fragrance-free, making it ideal for even the most delicate complexions. What people say? The Face Moisturizer with Hyaluronic Acid Face Cream for Kids is an excellent product for keeping my daughter's skin hydrated and healthy. Its gentle formula is specifically designed for young skin, providing essential moisture without any irritation. The hyaluronic acid works wonders, leaving her skin feeling soft and plump. This is moisturizing without feeling heavy. It is not greasy and neither does it leave a white cast. This is a very nice well-made cream without all the nasties. My daughter uses it daily and loves it. Number 2. Glossmetics Dually Moisturizer. Experience the Dually Hydrated Moisturizer, a lightweight lotion that leaves your skin feeling conditioned and glowing. It's infused with soothing and hydrating actives for a radiant complexion. This moisturizer provides intense hydration without that heavy feeling. It keeps your skin feeling light and refreshed throughout the day. Say goodbye to greasy skin. It absorbs quickly, leaving a matte finish perfect for all skin types. Enjoy a comfortable, non-sticky feel. This advanced formula penetrates deep, delivering moisture exactly where it's needed. You'll notice how quickly it absorbs without leaving any residue. Enjoy all-day hydration and protection. It shields your skin from environmental stressors, keeping it healthy and hydrated from morning to night. Unveil your skin's natural radiance with the Dually Hydrated Moisturizer. It's the secret to achieving a healthy, glowing complexion. What we like. This moisturizer provides intense hydration without weighing down your skin. If you want a non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly, leaving a matte finish, this is the one for you. It's perfect for all skin types and provides all-day protection. What people say. This is the only moisturizer my ultra-sensitive skin can handle. CeraVe, Vanicream, and Cetaphil products my dermatologist recommended all gave me cystic acne on my chin. This moisturizer doesn't make me red or greasy. Nice lightweight, easy to apply. This is perfect before applying makeup. Not greasy, not thick, just right. It is just a nice base before applying makeup. Number 1. Natural Outcome Teen Skin Calm Control Moisturizer. It's specially designed for teens and preteens. It helps control acne by removing excess oil, leaving skin matte and soothed. This lightweight, oil-free lotion is perfect for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Remember to always patch test before first use. It's formulated with natural ingredients like salicylic acid, calendula extract, and tea tree oil to clear acne, calm skin, and help prevent breakouts. Simply wet your face, apply 1 pump, gently massage it in, and wash away the excess. Enjoy refreshed, hydrated skin. Made in the USA with pure intentions, it's free of sulfates, parabens, and dyes, and is never tested on animals. Get a natural glow with peace of mind. What we like. This gentle, oil-free lotion helps control acne and oily skin. If you're a teen looking for a natural way to clear breakouts and keep your skin matte, this is a great choice. It's suitable for all skin types and made with natural ingredients. What people say. The effect on his skin has been great and a big reduction in zits. It moisturizes my skin so well, and let me tell you, my skin has been glowing since I have started using this Teen Skin Moisturizer. It works. His face got so much better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.